Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the graphical user interface of SolidWorks. Basically, whatever you see or whatever you interact with within a software, that is called the graphical user interface or GUI of that particular software. So here I have opened the SolidWorks software, and if you open a SolidWorks software at first, you will get a window like this. Okay, here you can see the recent documents, or these are the files or these are the projects that I have recently worked on. You can browse files from here also. Okay, now look at here. There are three types of file: the part file, the assembly file, and the drawing file. Um, in the part file, you make 3D parts. In the assembly file, you assemble multiple parts, and in the drawing file, you if you want to make 2D drawings of the part file or the assembly files, engineering drawing like annotation, third angle projection view, first angle projection view. If you want to create those, you choose the drawing file. Now each of the file type has a different file extension. Okay. Like every part file will have .sldprt extension. Every assemble file will have .sld asm extension, and every drawing file will have .sldtrw extension. Now I am opening the part file. Okay, so now we have opened the part file. So whatever you see, the whole thing is called the graphical user interface or GUI. Okay. So this everything is some graphics, and we are interacting with the software with this. So this is called the graphical user interface. Now if you look at the middle, you will see a vast empty space. Okay. This area is called the graphics area. So whatever you do, whatever you make will appear here. Okay, this is the graphics area. Now at the top you will get the menu bar. Okay, this bar is called menu bar. You will get file, edit, view, insert, this options. Now if I move my cursor here, it will expand, and if I remove my cursor from here, it will be collapsed. If you want to fix this thing, just click the pin button, and if you want to undo this thing, just click this button again. Here we can see the home button. If we click here, you can get this window again. You can start new part file, open part file, save, print, etc. This is rebuild button, and this is options or settings. You can change certain settings from here. Now you can see uh, this bar is called toolbar. So basically, you will get all of your tools here. So this is why it is called toolbar. Okay. And these are called tabs. Each tab holds a certain type of tools. Like if I click the sketch tab, it has the tools that is used to make 2D sketches. And if I go to surface tab, it will get you the tools needed to make SolidWorks surface works. And if you want to make sheet metal works, you will have to open the sheet metal tab. Okay, these are the tools, and this is tab. Now the toolbar and the tabs. The toolbar and tabs is called command manager. Okay. If I right click somewhere between here, and you can see enable command manager. If I disable it, it will go away. Okay, so that is called the command manager. We can bring this again. Just right click here and enable command manager. So those things will appear again. Now this is feature manager design tree. To get a better understanding, I am opening another file. Okay, so this is a project. If you want to learn how did I make this pen holder, you can see the video. Okay, I will give the video in the iBox. Now if you look at the feature manager design tree, you can see that mm, whatever I did, it's kind of like history. Okay, whatever I did is listed here. First I did boss extrude, then shell, boss extrude to shell, 3D sketch, carve. Whatever I did is listed here. You can get some other informations also, like the materials I specified here. It is made out of ABS plastic. How many solid bodies here? Here are only one solid bodies. Okay, so here we can see certain other informations. So this is called the feature manager design tree. Now let's see our next option. This is called the property manager. Okay, so I am making an sketch. So look, I have making a 3D object from this. I am basically using the extrude function. So you can see that I am now on the property manager. Okay, so if we change the extrude length, we can change the extrude length or other parameters from here. So basically on the property manager, we change or we dictate the properties of a certain functions. Okay. Now, if you see here, and this is called configuration manager. If you want to make some multiple configurations of single part, okay, you can make it here. So I can make multiple versions of a single part. Okay, this thing is done here. Now if you look at the below of this window, you will see this is called the status bar. Okay, okay, this bar shows the coordinates value of the mouse pointer. If I move this mouse cursor, you can see the values are changing. And there is a very important thing also. This is called, look, underdefined. Okay, so this is defining the status of this sketch. So this sketch is underdefined. Okay, so we'll discuss this in another video, which is underdefined and which one is fully defined. What does this means? Okay, so we'll discuss this in another video. You will get this video in the I button. Now, if you look here, you will see the heads up view toolbar. Okay, so this bar and this view toolbar is used to view in different orientation of the sketch. Okay, I am opening that file again. Okay, so you can see this is zoom to fit. This option is zoom to fit. Suppose you are working on and unfortunately this thing zoomed out and you lost it. Okay, so you are not finding the part. So what you do, you click here, zoom to fit. So this will bring the part file. uh, okay, now if you want to zoom in certain area, you can click this option and this, you can zoom in certain area. So you can also zoom in using mouse button. I will show it later. Now if you look here, previous view button. Okay, so suppose I am viewing this option and I moved this part here. So I want to view this part from the previous view. Okay, so I click here, so it shows me the previous view. Now if you want to see the cross section, okay, so I can see here cross section. This is called dynamic annotation view. We'll see this later in another video. If you look here, this is called the view orientation. Okay, so if you click here, you can see different orientation. So if I click this plane, the camera will be showing this object from this angle. Okay, and if you look here, you can see and a preview of that view. Okay, I click here and look, my view is showing from this angle. Okay, if I click here, my view will be shown from this angle. Okay, now if you want to change the appearance type, click here. Okay, you can change different kind of appearances. I can use shaded. Look, the appearance has been changed. I can set like it here, like this. Okay, I'm not showing this integrated view now. Okay, you can set many types of view appearances from here. Okay, now if you want to show or hide some things, something from this part or sketch, you can control this from here. Okay, now if you want to apply color, you can do this from here. If you want to change the background, you can do this from here. I have changed the background. Okay. Mm, you can change the appearances also from here. Now look at the top right corner. You will get a search bar. Okay, so here you can search any tool or functions. Like if I search shell function, okay, I can get it here. Another thing, if you look here, there are basically certain types of four types of things you can search. So if now my command option is open, so if I search now, it will get me the functions or the tools. Okay, these tools I can search here and get. But if I choose SolidWorks help, look, the sign has been changed. Now if I search that tool, it will not appear. Okay, so it will only search the help options. Like if you want to search the files or models, you can do this from here. I will keep this the command option. Now at the right you will get the task pane. So here you will get access to the SolidWorks libraries. So basically in SolidWorks there are many pre-made parts. So you can just import these parts from the library design library to here. Okay, like you have the choosing unsymmetric, so you already have the bearings, bolts and screw, nuts, many things, gears. Okay, so all of these are pre-made, so you have to change certain parameters and you can directly import from here. Okay, now I will show you how to navigate with mouse. So if you scroll, it will zoom in or zoom out. If you push the scroll button and move the mouse, it will rotate. Okay, this is called rotate view. And if you do the same thing, I mean push the scroll button, but this time you first press the control button, I mean control plus scroll button, and move like this, it will move in this manner. So this is called the pan movement. Now at the bottom you will get the unit change option. So you can switch to different kind of unit system like MKS, CGS, MMGS or IPS. Thank you for watching the video. Stay with us to get more SolidWorks tutorials.